don't know where my glasses is. Don't have time to find them. Whatever. The duty is done, but I'm just going to make it clear now. I'm sorry, but if you own guinea pigs, never put hay in the fucking food bowl. Now my guinea pigs have a generated thing. You still don't put hay in there. Food goes in there. First off. Second off, well, if you share a guinea pig cage with one of the guinea pigs not being yours, and you do all the work, honey, you're now the owner of both the fucking guinea pigs. Last correction. It is now Friday. Yesterday night, I got yelled at for, coming home. And I got yelled at for, it being my fault that the guinea pigs didn't have water. I was gone for a week. And my mom was here. And one of the guinea pigs is hers. Honey, you're not the... No, I'm the owner of both the guinea pigs now. And also to put the food... You put the food in the food bowl and you put the hay in the cage. There's no set place for it. Again, it's a treat. Whoever put the fucking hay in the food bowl clogged it. You're an idiot. So I made a must-read platform. Stop putting the hay in the guinea pig's food bowl. Food goes in there. Put the hay in the cage and shut the door and leave. Again, they're my guinea pigs, not yours. Rhiannon is now the owner of both the guinea pigs in the cage. If she goes and gets yelled at for leaving for a week, and then gets yelled at for forgetting to fill the waters up, I was gone for a week. That tells me they didn't have water for a week. It's not my fault. If literally the other owner lives in this fucking house and is here 24/7. Other owners share the fucking responsibility. As long as when there's a cage of my guinea pig and then the other two are quote unquote Shannon's, that means Shannon does 2/3 of the work. Not none. And yes, this actually did happen. I owned Spice, Shannon owed Caramel, my mom owed Patches. My mom did nothing. And then Shannon went around bragging that she had 2 guinea pigs. So you do 2/3 of the work if you're gonna say that you own 2. No, she didn't do shit. Let alone she did it wrong too. So then I got put on the job. I'll bring them back in my room as soon as I can. Therefore, none of you can touch them. Then again, my older sister calls them rats. Boring her children to calling them rats. So now all of them call them rats. And it's like, guinea pigs and rats are 2 different things, first off. Rats have fucking tails. Guinea pigs don't. Hi, children. Actually. My beautiful children, this is Cookie. That's Hazelnut. This is the fucking food bowl. Oh, my mom also leaves the door open. That's where you clog it. You're dumb. Hi, Cookie. The other water is already on. There. Hi. Not fucking easy. I don't think you want to double cross me in a type of animal situation. Goodbye.